Hey, que la que hay, mi gente? It's Rocky here from SpeakSpanishFaster.com. Estamos aquí de nuevo. We are here again. And in today's video, we have another quiz for you. Today, we are going to be going over the Informal Tú command. All right, now this command is one of the most important commands, I think, for you to learn and know because it's one of the most common forms of verbs that you are going to be using in your everyday communications. I would say just mastering the present tense and mastering especially the present informal command tense is going to really help you converse with other people, because I would say these are the forms of verbs that we use on a day-to-day basis. Of course, you still need to learn usted form, the formal form, and you need to learn preterite and all that stuff. But I think these are the most important. Now, also, I do want to add that, as you guys know, I don't really like teaching, just straight up teaching grammar, because I think that's something that's acquired as you receive a lot of comprehensible input. But at the same time, we cannot neglect the fact that a lot of you guys, or some of you guys, may be in school learning Spanish and may have to know this to pass a Spanish test or whatever the case may be. And I'm not going to not teach you it or not help you with it just because I don't think that it's the best way to learn it, okay? Now, with that being said, what you have seen from other grammar videos that I've done, quizzes that I've done, is that I like to teach grammar in a different way, whereas in school, where they teach you to, you study and then you take a test and then you forget it, I like to reverse that process. I like for you to just naturally take the test and see how you do, because you'll be surprised to find probably that if you receive a lot of comprehensible input and you're familiar with Spanish patterns, you'll be able to know these answers without even knowing why. You'll just kind of know it because it's natural. And then after we go through the answers, then I'll explain the why. So if you get any wrong or any you weren't sure about, I can explain why that answer is what it is, and you'll be able to know it. Now, the regular informal tú command follows a certain pattern. Again, I'll quickly cover all that after we take the quiz. So you'll have 10 questions really quick. We'll run through it. I don't want this video to take all day. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, number one, ponerse a trabajar. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be turning this right here, the ponerse, into a tú informal command. Okay, well, tú command is informal command. So you'll be turning ponerse into either póngate, ponte, or pone. So would this sentence be póngate a trabajar, ponte a trabajar, or pone a trabajar? That's what you're going to follow that same process for all these questions, all right? So I want to get through these quick because I don't want you to think about them too much. I just kind of want them to be natural responses, all right? Lavar los platos. Lavar los platos. Abrir la ventana. Abrir la ventana. Hacer tu tarea. Hacer tu tarea. Irse a dormir. Irse a dormir. Tocar la puerta. Tocar la puerta. Pedir lo que quieres. Sacar la basura. Sacar la basura. Poner los platos en la mesa. Poner los platos en la mesa. Manejar el carro. Manejar el carro. All right, let's quickly go through the answers. Number one, ponte a trabajar. Ponte a trabajar. It turns to pon because poner, it has irregular conjugation, all right, for the tú command. So it turns to pon, and because we have ponerse, you have to add the te because we're talking to you, a you command. So ponte a trabajar. Go to work or put yourself to work. Number two, lava los platos. Lava los platos. Lava because it's a regular to command, and you'll see a common theme with all the regular verb conjugations for tú command. They're pretty much, all you do is take the regular tense, the regular tú form, and remove the S for the commands. So instead of tú lavas los platos, which would be a statement, when you turn it to a command, tú lava los platos, and you remove the S. Very simple. That's all you have to do. That's for the regular ones. I would say once you master the regular ones, I would say spend time mastering the regular because it's very easy. It shouldn't take long. And then take time to actually study the irregular, like the poner. And I'll show you some other ones that are also irregular, because those few, the majority are regular, but there are a few that are irregular. So it's easiest to master the regular, because by then you master like 80% of all the tú commands, and then you spend time trying to master the 20% of irregular. Of course, those are just estimations, 80-20 rule, but yeah, so make sure you do that. All right, now let's go to next one. Abre la ventana. Abre la ventana. Again, follows that simple formula that I just talked about. All right, abre la ventana. Number 4, haz tu tarea. Haz tu tarea. As you can see, this is another irregular. All right, so you should spend time, once you master the regular, spend time with verbs like hacer, poner for the tú command, because they change, okay? Hacer changes to haz, poner changes to pon, all right? If it wasn't irregular, then it would turn to hace tu tarea, but that's incorrect for a tú command, all right? So next, we have irse a dormir, vete a dormir, or vete a dormir. Again, irse is irregular. The irregular tú command turns to ve or be. And then because we have se at the end, we have to add the te to the end. Vete a dormir. That means go to sleep. Next we have tocar la puerta changes to toca la puerta. Toca la puerta. All right? So toca is regular, as you can see. Very simple. I'm telling you, the regular ones are simple. You just take the tú form, the tú regular form, remove the S. Pedir lo que quieres. Pedir lo que quieres. That changes to pide. Okay? Pide. Next, we have sacar la basura. Sacar la basura. Saca la basura. Poner los platos en la mesa. Again, this changes to pon los platos en la mesa. Last, we have maneja el carro. Maneja el carro. All right, so that's regular. So as you see, this isn't too difficult. You should definitely be able to learn this quickly, and you'll notice a lot of things you hear in every day in Spanish come from the tú command. Dime, háblame, siéntate. All those are tú commands, and those are very commonly spoken in the everyday Spanish, because we're always telling each other what to do. Do this, do that, do this, do that. And don't think of it as something like it's demanding. Like, that's just, in Spanish, we talk a lot with command. We do it in English too. Like if you're with somebody, it may just be a command, but it's not like sit down now. It's just like, hey, sit down right here. You know, siéntate. Very simple. So go back through this test quiz if you need to. Again, this is part 1. I could do this over and over again with these commands. In the future, I'll do, we can do, if you want me to do more irregular, I can do that. We can do more regular commands if you need that. I will do some on on the formal commands, which would be usted commands, which is kind of a paradox, because it's like you are formally telling somebody what to do, which you don't usually do that. So that's why we focus on the tú command. I would say the tú command is much more common than the usted command. Just like talking with the tú form is much more common than talking with the usted form. So yeah, that's a key thing to remember when you are going through this. So I hope you enjoyed this little quiz. If you did and you're looking to take your Spanish to the next level, definitely check out our website, speakspanishfaster.com. I'll put the link in the comments below and I'll pin it for you. That link, after you click that link, it'll take you to a free training where I reveal my 3 biggest secrets to help you become fluent in Spanish, to help you learn Spanish faster so that you can speak and comprehend native Spanish speakers easily. So that way you master Spanish and you feel comfortable when you talk Spanish with other people. If you like the video, of course, do me a big favor, hit the thumbs up for me, comment below, let me know what else you need help with. Anything, you know I got you. Last but not least, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel here at Speak Spanish Faster on YouTube by clicking that red subscribe button. Turn on notifications so you never miss another video. Until next time, I'll see you then.